about to get started on our kitchen remodel, and on the blog I've shared some different photos of renderings of what it might look like when it's finished, as well as some floor plans. But I thought it'd be helpful if I gave you a walkthrough of the whole space and pointed at where things are going to shift and how the layout is going to get modified. So we're in our kitchen now. One of the biggest changes that we're going to make is we're going to change out some walls and add walls. So this wall here is all going to disappear all the way over. The whole wall is going to disappear. Also, there's a bump out over here, which is the master closet, and that's going to go. And so as soon as all of that disappears, this is going to become one really big room. Part of what's great about having a big space is that we can really play with the layout and add some nice flow for the kitchen, but also we get to add a second bathroom to our house. So to do that, we're going to borrow some of this square footage for the bathroom and the master closet. And to do that, we're going to build a wall basically right here. And then everything this way is going to be kitchen, and then everything behind me is going to be master bathroom and master closet. So the wall is going to be solid except for right about here is going to be a pocket door. So when you close it, it'll feel like just a designated kitchen area, but then when you open it, you'll get access, or not you, me, we'll get access into the master bedroom, which is on the other side of this wall. When you come this way, on either side of this little hallway is going to be closet space. So it's going to be closets for the master bedroom as you go over here. But back to the kitchen. This wall is going to be all floor to ceiling pantry storage. It'll be kind of food pantry, but a little bit more of just overflow storage, kind of garage tools, candle storage. So that'll go here, and it'll be a nice wall of pantry. Heading this way, a lot of this layout is going to remain pretty much the same. So we're going to have countertops. The sink is going to remain basically where it is. Same with the dishwasher. And then also these windows are going to stay where they are. We will remove the garden window and replace them with wood double hung windows. And then the kitchen's going to keep going this way because remember this wall is going to be gone. And then we'll have more countertop. And then this is going to be the fridge. And then next to the fridge is going to be a pantry for food storage. On this back wall, we're going to modify this a pretty good amount. This window is going to come out, and this is going to be replaced with big French doors to the backyard. And then over here, the kitchen is going to continue, and it'll wrap around with countertops and cabinets, a range, more countertops, and then a kind of unconventional addition to the layout is we're going to put a table right here. It's going to be the same countertop, or it's going to be the same height as the countertops. So it'll be an extension of the work surface and the range, which will be over here. So I can be cooking, and then I can use this as a prep space because it'll be a really deep storage, or I can be on the other side of it and I could be seated in the bar stools and I can talk to whoever is cooking or just sit. Part of what's nice about that is the back of the table and the wall of pantry kind of creates a divide between the working part of the kitchen and then access into the master. So yeah, that will be the kitchen, and then I'll show you what it looks like from the other side of the wall. So the master bedroom is going to remain pretty much the same. The one difference is that this door here, which currently goes into our closet, is going to change, and then this door is going to give access to our master bathroom. So the bathroom is going to have a vanity, a toilet, and a walk-in shower, which will go kind of to about here. And then in order to access this room, we're going to borrow a little bit of space from the den over here. The kitchen is on the other side of this wall here, and in order to get into the master without modifying the layout too much, we're going to borrow just a little chunk, this little corner here of the den. This is our den slash guest room, so I think it'll be worthwhile to borrow a little bit of space here to go into the master. So the way it'll work is right here we're going to cut an opening, and then that will be the walk-through area where there's the closets that I mentioned on either side. and then this will become a little vestibule area. So this door is gonna move to basically right here. So we'll still be able to walk through this room to get into the master, because right now, the master is only accessible from walking through a bedroom. So going through the kitchen will give us a nice flow. So we're gonna wall this off, and then this little area will become kind of like a nook alcove that I think will be kind of cool. Some people don't like it, but I like it. Yeah, so I'll show you the backyard now. So some of the biggest changes are gonna be to the exterior doors and windows. The master bedroom is gonna stay the same with that window and that door. But over here, as I mentioned, this window is gonna disappear in the kitchen, and this will become the French doors. And then this window over here next to the door is also gonna change. The one weird thing is this door right here has to remain where it is because the historic department wants to be able to see where the door has always been, the original door. So we're actually gonna wall it off from the inside, and you'll still see it from the outside, but it won't be an actual functioning door. So you can get in from the backyard through that door or through the French doors. Let's go back in. So I hope that makes sense. I'll add a few slides and photos of what the floor plan will look like when we remodel. If you want to follow along with the renovation journey, please subscribe, and then also go to thegoldhive.com to get the full scoop. Bye.